we're at the Arboretum in Denver. Also Westinghouse, a lot of modded Westinghouse today. Very far apart. The doors on the cars open into each other. I don't get why they do that. If I were to design a pair of two cars and I had center opening doors, or single slide, I'd make them open away. You're just making the two cars farther apart. You have to walk farther from the call button. I don't get the point of that. Anyway, that will be all.